Dad was the carer for Mum up until about 12 months ago when she passed away, and that gave him a lot of purpose in life. He's 93, but he's okay. He's very active, and Dad's got the ambition to be 100.
You know, I can just hear that bell ringing.
He's got a restricted licence, so he can only drive within a 10-kilometre radius of his home, but that's enough to help keep his independence, which is really important for Dad. Hi, Dad. Dad's someone who's always got a plan. He's always got something on the go.
As far as cooking concerned, I cook everything in one day. I make a mess when I do that. I ended up having stuff on the floor and everything. You ought to see the place, and pots and pans everywhere. I make all my own jam. You must think I'm mad. Yeah, I need a stick. I've got a crook back. I've had a crook back for a long time. I go to exercises once a week out the hospital, and I get around do all my housework. Yeah, quite often I cut my own lawns, but they come and they take that off me, and I keep saying I can do that because that's a part of my exercises. If you sit down all the time, you just go stale. I have trouble with this hand now because I've got not much feeling in the two fingers and my thumb. From the carpal tunnels, having trouble doing buttons up. So all my shirts, I put them in the machine and I stitch them up, all buttoned up, and then you pull them over your head. I've got 3 sewing machines I use. This is the bathroom. I fell over in there one day, and you can imagine me 6 foot trying to get out of it. So since then I've had a mat in there, and I've got those rails, so I've got support that I can grab hold of, and I have a chair to sit on.